Guys, and welcome to another video, and today we are going to do this another lab of Swagger Lab Solutions, and this is directory traversals, which is kind of similar to local file inclusion or LFI, and we'll solve this lab. So firstly, let me start by setting up my settings, and in the settings I will go and I'll configure this thing to manual proxy so that my Bob suite is quite ready. Okay, now I'll go to proxy tab and I'll wait over here at the intercept place and I'll start this lab. So firstly, what is LFI or directory traversal? It is where this is a example, this is a website which is taking input, and now what happens is that now if we modify this input, it will actually give us the file, like it will show us the file. So it's like it is taking an input, and by the allow of that submit input I can actually use it to see files. So for example, this is quite website which is vulnerable to LFI or directory traversal. So my intercept is on and I've set up the Bob suite, and the very second I click on view details I will get this thing over here. Now I'll forward this request. Okay, as you can see, product ID 1, I'll just forward this. The very second I forward this, you can see everything is loaded over here. This is the data, and over here you see this looks a little bit odd, and this is actually for the picture. Now if I'll forward the picture, you can see the picture will load as well. So this is how it is working. If I'll say Control U, you can again see what is happening. The image is being loaded via a directory name as /image, where the file name is equal to 12.jpg. okay, so it is taking an input, and as you can I just showed you over here it was taking. Okay, so let me do it again. Now again intercept is on, and let me choose some other element like this. Again product ID 7, this is product ID 7, and I'm going to forward this request. Okay, now it has come over here. Now it will ask me for the picture, and I'll forward this to the repeater. So I'm forwarding it to the repeater because if I'll forward it to the repeater, I can actually change the data in real, like I change it immediately, and I can even see the response. So for example, I did send the request and this is the response. What you see over here, this is actually how our image looks. That is why it is looking so bad, because this is how image gets converted. So don't worry about that. Okay, let's now crack this and view some file. So to solve this, I need to get the content of etc password. This is the file in Linux systems where it stores at least the username every time, and even sometimes it can store the password as well. So we'll know all the usernames in the file, which is very useful and all. So now where it is asking me for the file name, I'll cut this 21 and I'll put this path. Okay, now there is again a catch in this. So for example, this is quite the directory I'm in, and I press ls. As you can see, these are the directories over here. Okay, now if I want to go in pictures directory, I'll go to cd pictures. Now if I'll do ls, you can see there is something known as tools. Now if I want to go from pictures directory to documents, okay, so how will I go there? So to go, okay, let me go to the music directory. So for that I will do cd. If I directly click on music, see, it doesn't work. I cannot go to music, right? There is no file. But if I'll do / and music, see, now I am in the music directory. This is all of this is my music directory stuff. Okay, now again to go to pictures / pictures, see, nice. Now if I want to go to like if I want to go to see my etc cron tabs maybe, so I'll go to cd .. Right now I'm in the root directory. That means I can go to documents, I can go to downloads, but I'll go even behind. I'll go .. Now as you can see, this is my username place where I'm storing my username, which is AAA. Again I'm doing .. Now I'm even before the home directory. I'm in the kind of like the / directory. Okay, now I can even access the etc and as you can see I can just do anything. Okay, so etc. Let me just, okay, let me see why it is not working. Yeah, I don't have cron tab. Okay, yeah, as you can see it was empty, but you just get the logic, right? I did 3 of these and I got so behind, like I was in the firstly I was in pictures, then I got so behind that I am able to access this direct place as well. Okay, so let me just clear this all. So just like this is the same logic over here, even if we are in the whichever directory we are in, we can just go to this place dot dot slash dot 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 slash 3 times as we did over here, and then slash etc slash password, and let me send this, and it says invalid request header. Okay, let me see if I messed up somewhere. We need etc password. Yeah, let me provide 1 space over here rather than 2, and yep, that is it. I just missed this space. It should always be 1 space over here, but as you can clearly see, we are able to see the quite so much stuff over here. For example, we know now the one of the username is Carlos, one of the username is Peter, and this is like amazing. Alright, so you get it what is happening, I guess. So this we perform this attack. Now also one more thing, if you're just wondering that if why are there we use this dot dot slash 3 times, you can even use it 4 times. For example, how should I show you? If I just make a file touch yo, now as you can see yo is a file over here, and now I go to pictures, cd pictures, and okay, so okay, I'll just show you like that only. I'll cat out my slash etc cron tab, but see this will give me some answer, but even before this, if I will add dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot stay, it will still give me the same answer. See, now I'm going to press enter, it is still giving me the same answer. Is because when you are at the main, like even though you are at the last slash place slash directory, you cannot go behind that. So even after slash you do dot dot slash, it will still work. So that is why even if rather than 3 you can put 4 over here, it will give you the same content, and but you cannot give 2. In 2 it won't give you quite the answer. See, no such file found, because it did not reach that directory. Okay, now I'm going to copy the URL, and if I'll paste the URL, you will see that it will not show me the results over here. Why is it? Because this data, as you can see, is being converted to a picture. Alright, as like what I mean is, this is a picture src image src, so all of this data is not an image, so that is why it will show you that this image is cannot be displayed because it contains errors. Okay, so while using burp suite, we just find out usernames, and it is a very nice big time vulnerability. And I hope you like this video, and I'll again make more of these videos like the down ones. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.